How to change your outfits on Canva using AI. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So we're going to start with this simple image of a REIT here. Now, in a previous video, I did show you guys how to make little changes to your outfits using Magic Edit, which you can find right here under Magic Studio, Magic Edit right here. You can always change like the color of a shirt or change to a jacket. But as far as a whole outfit change, Magic Edit doesn't quite cut it. So there is a new app I wanted to show you guys over here where it says apps, and it's called Multi Outfit Try On. And so you can see here, there it is. And so we'll just click on that. And so you can always upload a file here from your desktop. I already have the image of a REIT ready to go. So you can actually go to use selected image, which is this one, and then scroll down to the bottom. And then you can actually upload your own images or accessories. So if you have a jacket or a pair of pants or something in mind that you want to change the outfit to, you can always upload those, or we can pick from the samples. So for today, we're just going to pick from the samples. You can pick from a black dress, blouse, bag. You can accessorize. There's a couple different things to choose from. Not too many options. So if you don't want to be limited to these, you will want to upload your own things. But let's make it fun. Let's change this to a black dress. Let's give her a bag. Let's see how that looks. And let's give her a necklace. And let's generate that. Okay, so we have our image of a REIT here. Let's add it to the design so we can have a closer look at it. So it does do a pretty decent job of changing her outfit, but it kind of distorts her face a little bit. So it is pretty streamlined. Like she's got the bag, she's got the shoes, necklace, dress. The clothing in itself actually looks quite good, but the face is just a little bit. I'll move this so you can see. The face doesn't quite match. It does distort her face a bit. This would actually be a really awesome option if maybe you were gonna hide the face or if you were going to, use it for someone that's more in the background. I do like that, like I said, the limbs, the hands, the feet, none of that stuff is distorted, which AI typically does, but the face is a little bit different. That being said, I do think it looks pretty good. Definitely play around with it. Again, it's called multi-outfit try-on. I don't know how it would work for a busier image, so you might want to just play around with whatever it is that you want to upload. But like I said, it actually does look pretty good as a whole. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.